In 2010, Anita Goodesign released the Geisha Special Edition, 16 squares depicting a lovely geisha in a Japanese garden scene, and to surround her, 2 rows of a tone-on-tone beige floral tapestry. It was gorgeous, to say the very least. After a lot of requests, they eventually released the center section and titled it the Crane Tapestry. But is beige the only color for this lovely tile scene? Stick around and we'll find out, right here on Sammy's Workshops. And be sure to click the thumbs up, which is the like, the subscribe, and the alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded, just like this one, and much more. Project, let's take a moment to talk about workshop safety. Be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety rules that come with both your hand and power tools. Knowing how to properly operate your tools and following these safety rules can significantly reduce the risk of damage and/or personal injury. And of course, there are no more important safety rules than to avoid loose clothing, long sleeves, and to wear safety glasses, hearing and respiratory protection as needed. Now let's get to today's project. Hello YouTube, my name is Sammy and welcome back to Sammy's Workshops. Today's video is a rainbow of colors for Anita Goodesigns Crane Tapestry. Back in 2010, they released the Geisha Special Edition, 16 squares depicting a lovely geisha in a Japanese garden scene, and to surround her, 2 rows of a tone-on-tone beige floral tapestry. After hundreds of requests, they eventually released the center section of the Crane Tapestry in 32 squares. To complete the full 64 block tapestry, you would also need the Geisha Special Edition for that outermost row. When Anita first released the Crane Tapestry, they had the geisha quilt to show the beige tone-on-tone, and they also brought along just the 16 center squares in violet and eggplant. And as regular subscribers to this channel know, I do love those royal colors, and purple is one of my top favorites. I had recently gotten some dark green upholstery fabric that I thought would look good as the Crane Tapestry, and indeed it did come out looking great. Next up, a friend of mine was getting married, and the theme of the wedding was cranes, and her colors were pink and violet, and to which I added a little bit of purple, and here's the result. Stunning, isn't it? From the internet, I found a tapestry in pink and burgundy colored, very regal looking. Lastly, Steve Wilson isn't the only person with an artistic flair. I had the idea to stitch this out in full color, yes, that's a lot of thread changes, on light blue fairy frost background. Then, over the top, I would add between 2 and 4 layers of either white or silver gray organza as I assemble those tiles to get the view that you're looking at this scene through the morning mists or some fog. I haven't finished this one yet. I will post an update once it is completed for all of you to see as well. And there you have it, a rainbow of colors for the Crane Tapestry. Just because the pattern maker sees it one way doesn't mean you can't go your own. Let your imagination run and see how it looks. Have fun whatever you do, and I do hope this inspires you to test out some other colors. If you have questions on this or any other project I've done, please let me know in the comments down below. Happy to answer your questions. And if you enjoyed this video, do hit the like, subscribe, and click on that alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded. I post new videos each week, usually on Wednesday, with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a website for patterns I digitize and plans available to download. I'll also have links to tools and supplies I use if you want to get the same items in the comments down below. And until next time, see ya!